Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to read a JSON object from a MS SQL database, and in this scenario we're going to read it from URL logger database. The first thing we will learn is how do we read it hard coded, that is for a specific event ID. Okay, I've opened up a empty package, click on SQL to variable, double click it, select the connection to your database, in my case it is URL logger. I'm going to use embedded script. This is a new feature released as of August 2025 which allows you to put your SQL directly inside a package. Click on open and now click on paste. So here I want to save the variable in the output inside a variable called JSON variable from text field 02. If you open up your database, you see inside text field 02 is the actual JSON or the webhook. And right now I want for a very specific hard-coded ID called 1dbe. If you come over here, this is the ID that we are referencing. If you will click on run SQL, you will be able to see that your variable is actually loaded inside. Click on OK, click on OK, and click on show message. We stored our item inside JSON variable, which is a variable we want to replace. Click on true, click on save, and if you will run this, you will see that your entire JSON object is loaded.